Hi everyone, this is Kristen with a Tech Reviewer, looking for a screen protector that will protect your eyes as well as your screen and even give you antimicrobial protection. The Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus may be worth considering. It's designed with EyeSafe technology to protect against the hazards of blue light, which can cause eye strain and disrupt sleep patterns. It has an antimicrobial coating which kills 99.99% of the most common surface bacteria. Naturally, it's going to provide excellent protection for your screen, featuring special aluminosilicate glass, which will give your phone's screen 4 times the impact and scratch protection as compared with ordinary tempered glass screen protectors. And perhaps most importantly, it is super easy to install with a virtually foolproof installer. Zagg's been doing screen protectors for a long time, and it shows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the screen protector on my iPhone 12 Pro and evaluate the results. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we have some rather pretty packaging here, quite attractively done. Inside, we have our installer, the screen protector itself, and the remainder of the install kit. There's also a reminder here to register your screen protector to take advantage of Zagg's limited lifetime warranty. As I'm sure you're probably aware, Zagg does offer a replacement guarantee for its screen protectors. If one becomes damaged, you can get a replacement for free for the lifetime of the product. However, you do need to pay a shipping and handling fee. Checking out our additional installation tools, we have a decently sized microfiber cloth, we have a disinfecting wipe to clean your screen with, and we have the all-important dust removal sticker. Prior to beginning the installation process, you're going to want to make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Remove any case or screen protector you might have on your phone, and then begin by cleaning your phone with the included disinfection wipe. You want to make sure that you remove all dust and oils from your screen. Take your time. It's really important for your screen to be super clean. Next, dry off your phone with a microfiber cloth. And then finally, take the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust from your phone's screen. Next, take a careful look at the installer and be sure to choose the correct side. This is a dual-sided installer. One side is for iPhone 11 and 10R. The other side is for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So this is an iPhone 12 and 12 Pro installation, so obviously I'm going to want to choose that side. Be careful not to mess up this step because it can really affect your installation. Also, make sure that the installer itself isn't dusty. If it is, you might want to wipe it down. Make sure it's clean because if it's got dust on it, it can transfer dust onto your phone, which is going to mess up your installation. Once everything looks good, place the installer gently on top of your phone and make sure it's secure. Next, take a look at your screen protector. Note we have tab 1. Tab 1 is to be peeled off first. This is going to expose the adhesive. Once it's peeled off, you're going to want to hold onto the screen protector either by the sides or by these nice little easy install tabs. Definitely don't touch the adhesive side or it's going to affect your installation. So gently peel away the plastic to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. This isn't one of those hard plastic backs. It's quite easy to peel away. Just be sure not to touch the adhesive side. Finally, take your screen protector and put it down on top of your phone screen using the installer as a guide. Be sure to pay attention to the top and bottom of the screen protector. Obviously, there's a cutout here for the notch, so this is going to be the top. Once it's correctly positioned, let it down, press in the middle, and let it adhere. Looking at the results of our install, I think everything looks absolutely fantastic here. We basically got a perfect alignment on here. Great installer. You got nice rounded edges on here. Everything looks absolutely great. We've got a cutout here for the notch. Some people like that, some people don't. It's personal preference. You're going to be able to fit, I would think, almost all cases with this. This is nicely case compatible. This is made of an aluminosilicate glass, which is extra strong. It gives you 4x scratch and impact protection. Still probably not going to be as strong in terms of impact as a specialized polymer screen protector like the RenoShield 3D Impact, but it's definitely going to be better against scratching. As far as look and feel is concerned, I think everything is excellent. This is a very responsive screen protector. There's no issue with haptic touch. That's all great. I don't notice any issues with colors looking funny on here despite the blue light blocking. And I love the fact that this is going to give you protection against the hazards of blue light because honestly, we all look at our screens way too much. And if this is going to help against eye strain and help us sleep better, then that is probably a good thing. I also think the fact that it's got antimicrobial antimicrobial protection as well as 4x impact and scratch protection is great. This is a very nice, very slippery feeling screen protector, and I think it's got a great fit on the screen. All of that is excellent. I'm not so crazy about its anti-fingerprint technology. It features something called ClearPrint, and I don't think ClearPrint works as well against fingerprints as a standard oleophobic coating, but that's really the only issue that I have. Overall, I think that this is a very nice screen protector from Zagg. Again, we've been looking at the Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This product is available directly from Zagg as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $49.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.